This is a 2013 BMW X5. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, comfort access, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, 4-zone climate control, cruise control, leather seats, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and it comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.